Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Fight step by step. Start by choosing a balanced team and entering the arena, then match birds to charge attacks and trigger combos. Use special skills when meters fill and time them to interrupt opponents. Upgrade cards between battles to increase damage and health. Observe enemy patterns to predict moves, conserve energy for critical counters, and practice one arena to master timing and card synergies. Match 3 or more identical birds to trigger attacks and build meter, then tap the skill button to unleash unique abilities. Position cards strategically to form combos and chain damage across turns. Remember that different birds counter certain types, so rotate your lineup, manage energy wisely between turns, and use defensive skills to survive burst windows. Focus on timing, not speed, and study opponent habits to adapt your strategy mid-match. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tips and walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long sessions with the Owala water bottle for reliable sipping and spill resistance. I use it between matches to reset focus, and it fits cup holders, which helps on commutes or breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize upgrading birds that fit your core strategy and boost their star level to unlock passive bonuses. Spend currency on key skills and balance upgrades across attack, health, and speed to avoid weak links. Complete events to earn rare cards and resources, and recycle duplicates to gain upgrade mats. Set short-term goals like reaching a rank threshold, and reassess your roster monthly to pivot towards stronger synergies or meta shifts.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.